Welcome to my channel. Epson printer paper feed problem. Easy solution. Step 1. Turn off the printer, power off your Epson printer and unplug the power cable. Wait for 30 seconds before continuing. Step 2. Check the paper, make sure the paper is clean, flat, and not curled, torn, or damp. Damaged paper can cause feeding issues. Step 3. Load paper correctly, place the paper neatly into the input tray. Adjust the paper guide so they fit snugly without bending the paper. Step 4. Remove any paper jam, open the printer and carefully remove any stuck paper or small paper pieces from the paper path. Step 5. Clean the paper rollers, use a soft, lint-free cloth slightly dampened with water to gently clean the paper feed rollers. Let them dry completely. Step 6. Check for foreign objects, look inside the printer for dust, labels, paper clips, or other small objects that could block the paper path. Step 7. Avoid overloading the tray, do not load more paper than the tray's maximum capacity. Too much paper can prevent proper feeding. Step 8. Restart the printer, reconnect the power cable, turn the printer back on, and allow it to complete its startup process. Step 9. Test with fresh paper, load a few sheets of fresh paper and print a test page to see if the paper feeds correctly. Step 10. Update the printer driver. If the problem continues, update your Epson printer driver and firmware to ensure the printer operates with the latest fixes and improvements. Thanks for watching.